Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Want to start creating online, but don't know where to begin? A kids channel is the ultimate fun first way to learn the ropes. Keep it colorful, keep it high energy, and keep it safe. First, pick your lane. Is it story time, toy play, or simple learning? You don't need a huge studio, just a big imagination. Start your channel today. It will be fun.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.